Road, R136.
Grange Castle. La 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 la. walang kanta kaya magkanta na lang tayo. Ano yung kantahin natin? Traffic lang siya. Pero malapit lang to actually. Just near. But wala namang traffic talaga. Pasiksing. Oh. So go.
In 400 meters, turn left onto Balioan Road, L1042. Turn left onto Balioan Road, L1042. In 400 meters, at the roundabout, take the third exit onto Balioan Lane, Liffey Terrace.
So this is Lucan Grange Castle Ben pa. Balioan Road. This is Balioan Road. Sa ano tayo magpunta sa Leafy Place, Leafy Glen, daming mga Leafy Drive, Leafy View, Ashley Hall, Mount Andrew Dale. Oh, there's loads now. This is the roundabout. Roundabout, guys. Roundabout. Ay, not yet.
In 400 meters, turn left toward Liffey Hall.
Liffey Hall. We're nearly finished, guys. Yeah, mag-end na rin ako pagdating namin. Nakatata. Thank you sa pag-coming dito sa aking short live. Very, very short live only.
Text pa.
Ha?
Nagte-text pa.
Oh, look at that two girls there. Nakatuwa sila.